Let's quickly explore how to define and verify your build strategy, especially when working with laser assignments for optimal precision. Begin by opening the Edit Build Strategy dialog. Here, you can define your preferred strategy and use the laser assignment option to assign specific lasers to one or multiple regions. Always review the laser assignment column in the configuration table to confirm each region is linked to the correct laser number. With your strategy and laser assignment set, create the build job for your Renishaw system. A crucial final step is to open the MTT output file. This allows you to verify that all your assigned lasers are correctly represented in the Renishaw build data. And there you have it, a streamlined process for precise laser control and confident additive manufacturing.